Hello again. We're going to talk about how light and space under null locations and zero locations can result in erosion. This erosion can affect any type of matter, though if you have gases or solids and things like that near you, you would not be eroded by color. So if you have color, you would be eroded and have erosion and perceive a lot of unnecessary impacting desired effects, such as decreased information, loss of temperatures, which is caused by color. And that color is coming from light. Therefore, if there is light or dark, because dark is the color is black, and then usually to us, but dark can also be in other locations as other colors. So if you wanted to say that a shadow is red and not black, then that would mean that you have a light source that is not RGB. So it would be a new color that equals RGB. So there are other colors that in space that can equal RGB, but that's not necessarily an impacting source of information. Now, if you see that in a location there is color for necessary facts such as hydrodynamics on a particular surface. So you say you see a planet, there's no stars, there's nothing there, and it's dark. It was created by colors nearby. So you don't see light because the light is not the color of RGB. It is an unknown color. Not ultraviolet. That's a very weak color. But it is a color, and there are other colors that you cannot see. So therefore, the only colors that you can see are red, green, blue, and combinations of RGB. And anything other than that will require a specific camera to convert those colors to values that you can understand. And if you don't have a camera, you will only see black and voids and rocks. And if you wanted to see more than black voids and rocks, you would need a camera for each color. Now, other than that, you would say that there are not empty spaces. Space is not empty, so when you say void, it would be mostly comprised of uh, gas and disintegrated matter. Now, when the matter disintegrates, it is not subatomic, broken down matter spreading around and similar to an excited vapor. It is mostly a lymph node. Each node has a cyst on it, similar to a rock that has a lump, but that lump would be a cyst instead of a lump. Similar to cysts on certain human skins, but rocks can also have cysts, and these cysts can pile up, and these cysts can have erosion, and so you typically want to see that nearby because you're in a habitable zone. Thank you again.